Today, we explore the intricate details of a concrete mixer truck, a crucial player in the construction industry. The foundation of our concrete mixer truck is its robust chassis, providing stability and support for the entire structure. Powering this machine is a potent engine coupled with a reliable transmission, ensuring the efficient delivery of concrete to construction sites. The heart of the truck lies within the mixer drum, where raw materials are expertly blended to create the concrete mixture. The truck's mobility is guaranteed by a set of sturdy wheels, designed to navigate through construction sites with ease. Illuminating the way, the truck is equipped with a set of lights, ensuring visibility during night operations for a seamless workflow. Inside the cab, the driver operates various controls, overseeing the pouring process and ensuring precision in concrete delivery.